Imagine building a local business with the best service, smartest staff, and happiest customers, only to realize that the minute someone searches for you, the lights go out. To the digital world, you are completely invisible. This illustrates the three-pack problem. Google prioritizes a top 3 map list, and only a tiny fraction of users ever scroll past those medal winners. That cutoff creates a massive opportunity gap, pushing everyone else into a hidden zone below the fold. Most owners try to fix this by throwing money at traditional SEO, but the old playbook of stuffing keywords onto a website takes months to show movement and costs a fortune without guaranteeing you'll breach that top tier. Sticking to a strategy built for a decade-old internet keeps a business locked in the hidden zones of the map, regardless of their service quality. And the problem is accelerating. This chat interface shows exactly why. Generative AI models like Google SGE and Bing Copilot are actively replacing traditional lists of website links with synthesized, direct conversational answers. These new algorithms do not crawl the internet the way old search engines did. They ignore static About Us pages and basic business directories entirely, leaving a massive data vacuum for local results. What AI engines actually crave is structured data. They are designed to pull information from highly organized, tagged datasets and specialized microsites built specifically to answer user questions. If your business doesn't speak this specific, structured language, you won't just rank poorly. The AI will simply conclude you don't exist. Fixing this requires building a new kind of visibility machine. The foundation is a standard Google business profile. Standing alone, it's just a static block of information waiting for someone to trip over it. But watch what happens when we plug in the Showcase strategy. The first add-on is Answer Engine Optimisation, or AEO. AEO microsites have one strict job. They take the common questions your customers ask and format the answers using specific code called schema markup. This code flags your text as a verified, structured answer, allowing AI chatbots to instantly grab it and cite you directly. Next, we add Generative Engine Optimisation. As you can see with these mapped location pins, GEO microsites lock your business into a precise, real-world geography, feeding AI the exact context it needs to generate local recommendations. By stacking these highly optimized AEO and GEO layers onto your base profile, you engineer a passive, invisible listing into a dynamic visibility machine built natively for AI. There is a catch, though. Being highly visible to an AI engine only works if the algorithm actually trusts the data it's pulling. Search systems judge credibility through a strict framework called EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. If your content lacks these signals, the AI skips you. We establish that trust using knowledge nodes. Instead of generic marketing copy, these are deeply researched long-form geo assets, like clinical white papers or expert practitioner interviews, that serve to prove your genuine expertise. These nodes are wired together into a hub-and-spoke ecosystem. The specific, narrowly focused articles act as antennas, gathering massive relevance signals and funneling that trust straight back into your central profile. This architecture aligns the business's data with the AI selection criteria. Because the knowledge nodes provide the verifiable evidence the engine needs, it cites the business as its primary source, rather than a secondary commentator. While AI is the future, human behavior is the present. A massive volume of local revenue still comes from a person typing a standard, classic query into a search bar. To capture that audience, we drop a final layer of classic SEO microsites, like step-by-step how-to guides and real-world case studies, acting as a wide net over the entire system. This ensures that no matter how your ideal customer searches, whether they are asking a smart speaker for pricing or typing out a specific problem on their laptop, your content is there to meet them. Layering the AI showcase, the deep authority nodes, and the wide SEO net creates an impenetrable digital ecosystem. Too many local business owners operate under the finish line fallacy. They assume ranking at the top of the search results means their job is done, but visibility is just the starting line. This text box highlights the risk perfectly. It's called the trust gap. If a customer finds your highly visible profile, but your content lacks credibility, case studies, or clear expertise, they will bounce straight to your competitor. A beautifully engineered search presence is financially useless if you don't have a mechanism designed to convert that incoming traffic into a booked appointment. That brings us to the Get Growing engine. Here, a funnel captures users to turn visibility into repeat business. Look at the branching lines. By offering one-click sharing tools and rewards, one satisfied client loops 3 new people back into the system. A static website offers no way to capture the viral potential of a satisfied customer. In contrast, a referral machine leverages the fact that referred leads spend 25% more on average, turning a single transaction into a self-reinforcing growth cycle. Surviving the shift to generative search requires abandoning the old SEO playbook entirely. It requires engineering an architecture of authority so dense and a referral pipeline so smooth that your business becomes the only logical choice in town.